Are you ready to transform your life and embark on an unforgettable journey in the heart of Barcelona? Our TEFL course offers comprehensive training in teaching English as a foreign language, focusing on practical skills and real-world experience. Our training center is equipped with free Wi-Fi, computers, and well-equipped classrooms to enhance your learning experience. We provide access to a wide range of teaching resources and materials, ensuring you have everything you need to succeed. Accommodation options include private rooms in shared apartments or homestays with Spanish-speaking hosts. Our course fees are all-inclusive, covering lessons, materials, teaching practice, assessments, certificates, and lifetime job assistance. Our host families are carefully chosen and regularly checked to ensure a high-quality living experience. Course dates are available throughout the year, allowing you to choose the perfect time to start your adventure. The course schedule includes morning input sessions, lesson preparation, and teaching practice with local Spanish students. Receive immediate feedback from instructors to help you improve and refine your teaching skills. Bring a notebook, pen, and laptop to make the most of the free Wi-Fi and resources at the training center. Join us in Barcelona and unlock a world of opportunities with our TEFL course. Your adventure starts here.